Right, question 4, they've already given us the form that they want it in, which is very nice of them. Again, I want to get rid of all the denominators, so I'm going to multiply everything through by x minus 1, x plus 1, and that will clear all the denominators along there. So on the left hand side, if I multiply by x minus 1, x plus 1, it's going to give me the same on the top. Multiplying a by x plus 1, x minus 1. The b term, the x minus 1s will cancel. And the c term, the x plus 1s will cancel. Which leaves us here. Okay, back to clever substituting in then. To clear the brackets, I'm either going to want to sub in 1 or minus 1. Let's do 1 first. So when x equals 1, I get 2. This bracket cancels as 2b. So b is 1. When x is minus 1, I still get 2 here. This bracket cancels, so I get c lots of minus 2. So c is minus 1. Again, we've run out of clever brackets to use, or clever numbers to substitute in. So I'm just going to go for 0 because it's a nice easy number. Here I get 1, and then I've got a lots of 1 times minus 1, so that's minus a. B lots of 0 plus 1 is 1, and b is 1, so it's just 1. And c lots of 0 minus 1 is minus 1, times by minus 1 gives me plus 1. And that gives me a as well. Okay, so that's part A done, and we want to do part B now and do some integrating. You'll notice that this is exactly what we've just split up, so we're going to use our answer to part A. So if I just write that out instead, so we've got the integral of A, which was 1, plus b over x minus 1, so that's 1 over x minus 1, plus c, that's minus, 1 over x plus 1, and that's what we're integrating. So they've been reasonably nice to us here in terms of what we integrate. So 1 just integrates to x. Next we've got another ln integral. So if I differentiated x minus 1, I get 1, which is what's on top, so it's just ln x minus 1. Here, if I differentiate that, I get plus 1, so that bit makes ln x plus 1, so I've got minus ln x plus 1, and we haven't got any limits, so we need a plus c on the end of that.